BLNK stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now is the question, which I'll be answering in this quick 1-minute video. Now, nobody else in the world has done more than 45,000 videos like me, documented them all and showed you what's working, what's printing, showed you the data. And I also spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors trying to figure this stuff out, especially BLNK. I have it pointing towards the downside, which what's the reason for that? Well, I have no ill intentions for it, like, let's put it this way. But for me, if I see a second break beneath that low at 83 cents, I would definitely look to take it further lower. I mean, BLNK, I'm sure I have some receipts here as well. Okay, it's not showing, but like I said, it's only really going to be bearish if I will look to take it lower. But what about the bullish side? And when the heck would I be bullish? Well, very simply put, if I start seeing breaks about 127-ish, then yeah, sure, maybe then. But for right now, and currently where we are, that's how things are looking like for me. And I try to keep it as simple as possible. So if you want to stay tuned to start having clarity and making money, some good money, then just click the first link in the description. It's free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one.